we will define two sets and will perform different set operations like union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. So let me define a set M and we'll store here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And let's make an N also and we'll store here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and let's say 7. Okay. So let's perform the union. Okay, set union of M and N. Okay, is, so we'll just put M pipeline of N. So you can see here the union. So let's print the intersection of M and N is, we'll put ampersand sign and N. Okay, so you can see the intersection here 2 and 4. So let's print the difference. And we'll put M minus N. Okay, so you can see the difference here. So now we'll print the symmetric difference. So let's put here M. So let's run it. So you can see the symmetric difference of M and N. Okay, so we took two different sets and performed different set operations on them. This can be equivalently done by using set methods. So we have completed the set methods in the previous videos. So I'll provide the links in the description.